Hello guys and welcome to another car exposed video. Today I'd like to share something with you guys on my Renault Megane MK3, how to leave the ignition on at all times. As you probably know, the ignition turns itself off every 3 minutes. Ignition off, put the card in, ignition is on. Let me press play for the timer. And there we go. It just turned itself off, the ignition, after 2 minutes 58. It's actually 3 minutes, but I pressed the timer a few seconds after I turned the ignition on. And it will do that every single time, which is very annoying when you're working with your scan tool. Every 3 minutes it turns itself off automatically, obviously, and you lose communication with your scan tool. Again, if you need flash anything, if you need to do any flashing, coding, obviously you need the ignition on at all times. I've seen suggestions online about jumping your battery with another car, so the state of charge of your battery is always high, or a battery maintainer, which doesn't work. It will turn itself off like that every 3 minutes. In the old Mark II, you used to put the key card in, press the start button. I think it was for about 10 seconds. You used to hear a beep, and then the car would not turn itself off anymore. Now with this Mark III, this is personally what I do. I tried to look for the right information online and I couldn't find anything. But if you put your card in gear, press the start button, keep pressed until you have a message, please remove key card. Then you release the button, and from this moment the ignition will not turn itself off. So you can work on your scan tool, you will not lose communication, you can do any flashing or anything that you need to do with the car. Now this is what I personally do to work with my scan tool, so it doesn't lose communication every 3 minutes. So if you press the start button before the 3 minutes, that 3 minutes timer will reset. But as you can imagine, if you're flashing something and you're coding something, you don't want to take the risk of forgetting pressing the start button before the 3 minutes, and it could damage the module, or something like that. So this is personally what I do. If you guys know any other way or the correct procedure to leave the ignition on at all times, please share in the comments down below. I would really appreciate it. And that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.